Hi, Frank at Tony Laguda Formal Wear. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to wear a tuxedo. I'm sure you've been getting dressed for a wedding and all of a sudden the pants don't fit. The waist is too big, the length is too long. What we're going to show you today is how to properly wear a tuxedo. We're a family-owned and operated business. Mama Laguda, Tony Laguda Jr., and Frank Laguda are the ones that are here full-time on a daily basis. Been in business 46 years, family-owned and operated, in-stock tuxedo shop. We rent, sell tuxedos, we rent and sell suits, and we do expert alterations for men and women. We're here again to show you how to get dressed in a tuxedo. This is a typical package of how you would pick up your unit. Most of the times you can try it on here in store. If you are not able to try it on while you're here in the store, we're going to show you today how each component works and how to properly adjust pants, do different things. Here we have an unpackaged tuxedo. We have the shirt, accessories, pants. What we're going to do next is we're going to have Joe go into a dressing room, try on the pants, and we will show you how to adjust them. Here's a quick look at it before we go in the dressing room. Silver tab, unhooks, slide. I'll show you in a minute once Joe puts it on how to do it on a person.
Mr. Laguda, my pants are a little loose here. Is there anything we can do here?
Absolutely. I can show you how to fix that. This happens all the time. Yep, you got them buttoned there.
Got them buttoned, but they're...
Okay. Pants look a little loose, pants look a little long. The way to adjust a pair of adjustable waist pants, silver clip right here, silver clip right here. You want both sides to be even. So you open it up like this, slide it, clip it. Then you're going to do the same exact thing to the other side so that they're even. Slide it, clip it. You want your pants just below your belly button. You don't have to be Urkel where they're hiked up super high. You want them right at your waistline. The length of a pant, you want it to sit right about here. This is the style now. Some people are wearing stuff short and tight. Right now, what I would say is right about here is a good length for your pants. Here at Laguda's, when we give you your shirt, we pre-put your studs and cufflinks in to make it a little bit easier for you. A lot of places will put the cufflinks and studs on a card. We pre-put them in the shirt already. You can see this is your normal button. This is your stud. What you're going to do, and I'll show you on Joe, is you're going to pop the stud through like that. Not the button. Not both of these things. Just the stud. Now we're going to put a shirt on Joe real quick. Now again, studs, buttons. So you're going to put the stud through. And Joe, if you don't mind, finish off the last two for me. I did the top two for you.
So just like a button.
See how easy that is? Now typically there's going to be 4 or 5 studs on the shirt. The last button does not have a place for studs. That's normally tucked in the shirt. Now when you tuck in your shirt, I'm going to show you 2 quick tricks. If you remember how we adjusted the pants, your adjustable waist here, now with the shirt, so that you don't have to tuck in your shirt every time, I'm going to have you reach in your pants pockets, reach into the top corner, about right here on your shirt, or on your pants, I mean. Do you feel? And that's how you tuck in your shirt. There's little slits on the inside of the pants that you can reach through.
You can feel the shirt right in here.
The last thing I'm going to show you quick is the cufflinks. We, again, already pre-put them on. This is how they come off. This is how it goes on. Sometimes when you have a watch on, it takes... There you go.
Do that one more time.
This is off. This is on. See how it clips in the back? And you always want to put this where the buttons are. If that makes sense. Also, we forgot, we didn't button his top button, but you're always going to button your top button. Most tuxedo shirts have an easy flex button on here. I'm going to show you a couple different things here. With a tuxedo, you can wear suspenders, you can wear a vest, you can wear an old school cummerbund. I'm going to start with suspenders and show you how to put them on. They are all adjustable. We have Joe over here again. Now you want to make sure the suspenders are lined up. We're going to take it here. Now I'm going to have Joe turn around. In the back, you want to make sure that this is nice and even. There's a seam here in the middle of the pants. You want to clip the suspenders, about 5 inches apart. Now these, it looks like I'm pretty good with my length. This is how to adjust the length. It slides and clips. Again, in the front of the pants, you want to space this out. There's your center, about 4 inches or so. Again, clip. Now, Joe, if you don't mind, show us that little trick on how to tuck in your shirt again. See how that was a little bit bulky there? With the suspenders on, he did not have to unbutton his pants to re-tuck in his shirt. Another just quick trick. Next, we have a bow tie. Bow ties are adjustable. This slides, loosens, and tightens. There's a clip. So you're going to put this around his neck and then you're going to clip it. I'm going to put it on Joe and show you guys how. So what I like to do before I put a bow tie on is I take the collar and I pop it. So we get a nice little Elvis look going on where we pop the collar. Again, take the tie, clip it here, and then we adjust it. Tighter? Oop! Did I go too tight there, sir, Mr. Laguda? Or is that comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Then you want to fold this back down. Voila. Beautifully centered bow tie. Next, we have a vest. We already put suspenders on, so you do not wear suspenders and a vest. It's either a vest, a cummerbund, or suspenders. Most vests have an adjustment. This one happens to be on the inside of the vest. You take this, slide it, and button it here on the inside. I'm kind of guessing, looking at Joe as to where I should adjust that. But if you need to make it looser or tighter, you can. So again, this is the back of the vest. You will see a little, crinkle in the back of the vest when you do tighten it. No matter how many buttons, this happens to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 button vest. I button the top 4 buttons, and I always leave the bottom one unbuttoned. Some people will button it. That's a choice you can do. Voila, a vest. Now again, we're talking slim fit on everything that I have put on Joe. You can see the vest is nice and tight. The studs, the cufflinks. We showed you how to adjust the pants with this clip. Next, I'm going to put the jacket on you. This is a 2-button coat. Always button, never button. So on a 2-button, it's always and never. If this happened to be a 3-button coat, it would be sometimes, always, never. The reason why you don't button the bottom button is when you sit down, the coat spreads. I will show you. Again, this is a slim fit coat. So it's going to be tighter, shorter in the body. See how that sleeve pops out right there? You get a little cuff showing. Right here, V's in on him. Those are the main things that you want to look for in a jacket. How it fits here in the shoulder, nice tight fit. The sleeve length is perfect. Turn around for me. back length is perfect. Thank you again for watching this quick tutorial. We really appreciate it. I hope this helped you in any way in how to wear your tuxedo, wear your suit. We here at Tony Laguda Formal Wear are different than our competitors. We want you to know that we are here for you. When you pick up a tuxedo, we don't just send you out the door and not stand behind our product. We offer in-stock service, so after you try these little things, if something doesn't fit at home, we can 100% take care of you. We will not let you go to your event not looking like $1 million. Again, you can reach us at Tony Laguda Formal Wear. Our phone number is 215-646-2651, or you can check us out on our Facebook page, Tony Laguda Formal Wear. Thank you again. Have a great day.